Welcome my dear children. In this video we are going to see exercise 2.4 sums. First one, two gates are fitted at the entrance of your library. To open the gates easily, a wheel is fixed at 6 feet distance from the wall to which the gate is fixed. If one of the gate is open to 90 degree, find the distance moved by the wheel. They given pi value as 3.14. So listen here. So two gates are fixed at the entrance of your library. So imagine this is the two gates. Okay. So I have here only one gate. Okay. So two gates are fixed like this. So this, imagine this is a wall. Okay. So in this, a wheel is fixed at 6 feet distance from the wall to which the gate is fixed. So from this wall and to this gate, here one wheel is fixed like this. Okay. So one wheel is fixed like this. The distance from the wall to this gate, that is the wheel fixed gate, the distance is 6 feet. So that only I drawn here. So A is the position of the gate fixed to the wall. Okay. So B is the position where the wheel is fixed. Okay. So the distance between that wheel and to the gate fixed to the wall is they given as 6 feet. Okay. Now if one of the gate is open, now I am going to open this gate like this. Okay, so I open the gate like this. The gate will be here. The angle will make is they given as 90 degree. So the gate is opened like this up to get 90 degree. Okay, so now that gate position will become as AC. Here the angle is 90 degree. So what they asked to find now? Find the distance moved by the wheel. So this wheel is traveled from here to here. No, this distance they asked. Now the wheel is placed here. Okay, so they ask the length of the arc, that is BC length they ask. You have to find this BC length. Already we know the formula, length of arc. What is the formula? If you know the angle now, central angle means theta by 360 into 2 pi r units. Okay, so here theta is 90 degree. So radius, AB is nothing but the radius of this quadrant of a circle, you know. So 6 feet is the radius of this circular quadrant. Okay. So now let A be the position of the gate which is fixed to the wall. Already I told A is the position of the gate which is fixed to the wall, and B be the position of the wheel fixed to the gate at 6 feet distance from the wall. So B be the position of the wheel gate, that is wheel is fixed here. From the wall to this wheel, the distance is given as 6 feet. That is AB equal to 6 feet. That is nothing but the R value, radius of this circular quadrant, R equal to 6. Next C be the position of the gate when it is open to 90 degree. So there is AB is the gate. If you open like this 90 degree now, it will become BC is the traveling path of the wheel. Then C be the position where it opens to the 90 degree, the gate. Okay. So now the arc length BC, we are going to find this traveling distance of this wheel, you know, that is nothing but arc length. BC gives the distance moved by the wheel. Okay. So length of the arc equal to, what is the formula? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r units. Here theta is 90 degree. So 90 by 360 into 2 into pi value is 3.14 into r is radius is 6 feet. So write 6. Now cancel this 0, 0 will get cancelled. 9 ones are 9, 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. So I will get 3.14 into 3. Multiply these two, will get 9.42 feet. So the distance travelled by the wheel equal to 9.42 feet. So write the last step. So distance moved by the wheel equal to 9.42 feet. Did you understand this sum? Next move on to second one. With his usual speed, if a person covers a circular track of radius 150 meter in 9 minutes, find the distance that he covers in 3 minutes. Okay. So one circular track is there. A person covers this full distance, that circular in 9 minutes. Okay, so the radius of this circular arc they given as 150 meter. So do you understand this? A person travels through this circular arc in 9 minutes with the radius 150 meter. What they ask to find? Find the distance that he covers in 3 minutes. This whole distance he covered in 9 minutes. They ask within 3 minutes how much distance he covered, they ask. Okay, so in 9 minutes he covered this whole circular track now. So the perimeter of the circle is nothing but the distance covered by him. Am I right? Distance covered by him in 9 minutes. Okay, so radius of circular track they given 150 meter and distance covered in 9 minutes is nothing but perimeter of this circular arc. So perimeter of circular arc, what is the formula? Perimeter of circle 2 pi r units. So 2 into pi value they given in the sum. We have to use 3.14. So write 3.14 into r is 150 meter. So multiply these three numbers, you will get 942 meter. So you find this perimeter of this circular track, that is nothing but traveling distance traveled by him in 9 minutes, that is 942 meter. So what is our question? They ask in 3 minutes how much distance he covered. Okay, for that we are going to find first distance covered in 1 minute. So 1 minute how much distance he covered now? 942 divided by 9. Then only you can able to find 1 minute, you know. So 942 divided by 9. But they ask distance covered in 3 minutes. So how much he covered in 1 minute into 3 now you will get distance covered by 3 minutes. So 942 divided by 9 into 3, cancel this 3 ones are 3 3s are 3 ones are 3 3s are 9, 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12. So you will get 340 meter. So distance he covers in 3 minutes equal to 340 meter. Okay, did you understand this? So next move on to the third sum. Find the area of the house drawing given in the figure. So here they given one house drawing. We are going to find area of this drawing. See here, look at the picture. How many shapes are there involved in this picture now? Here you have triangle. What is this shape? Parallelogram, and then here you have square, and this shape is rectangle. So I am going to find the area of triangle, parallelogram, square and rectangle separately. At the last step I am going to add these 4 areas, then I will get the area of this house drawing. Okay, so first move on to first area. Triangle we have now, so write the shape triangle. So for triangle, area of triangle we need base and height. So what is the base here? So this base they given here 6 cm. This is in the shape of square now. Then this will be also 6 cm. So the triangle base is 6 cm. And then what will be the height? See the whole height from this point to this one they given 10 cm. Up to this we have 6 cm now. What will be the remaining height in this? How will you get? The whole length is 10. From this to this is 6 now. Definitely it will be 10 minus 6, which is equal to 4 centimeter, which is nothing but the height of this triangle. So height of this triangle is 4 centimeter. Did you understand this? So base is 6 and height is 4 centimeter. Area of triangle equal to, what is the formula? Half into base into height square units. Now substitute the values. 1 by 2 into base is 6 and height is 4. So cancel now. 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 4s are, you will get 12 centimeter square. Now move on to next shape, that is here now parallelogram. So parallelogram we need base and height, you know. Here this rectangle length they given 8 centimeter. Definitely the base of the parallelogram should also 8 centimeter. So what will be the height of this parallelogram? Here we find for triangle 4, you know, the same here also the perpendicular distance is, that is nothing but height is 4 centimeter. So move on to parallelogram. The base is 8 centimeter and the height of this parallelogram is 4 centimeter. So area of parallelogram equal to, what is the formula? Base into height square units, that is 8 into 4 we'll get 32 centimeter square. Next move on to this one, square. So already they given the side is 6 centimeter. So area of square formula is a square square units. A square na 6 into 6 and get 36 centimeter square. Okay, next shape move on to this rectangle. Rectangle they given the length that is 8 centimeter. So what will be the breadth? 6 centimeter. So here the square, on the side should be equal. Here 6 na, here also will be 6. Then breadth of this rectangle will be 6 centimeter. So right, length is 8 centimeter and the breadth is 6 centimeter. Then area of rectangle equal to L into B square units. So L means 8, B means 6. So 8 6 are 48 centimeter square. So now we find the area of this whole diagram separately. They ask the area of the house drawing. Okay, so now we are going to add these areas. So area of the house drawing equal to area of triangle plus area of parallelogram plus area of rectangle. Sorry, area of square plus area of rectangle. Now area of triangle we find 12 plus area of parallelogram we find 32. Then area of square is 36 and area of rectangle we find that 48. So add these four numbers, you will get 128 centimeter square. So area of the house drawing equal to 128 centimeter square. So that's all my dear children. I think you all understood these sums. Thank you.